Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
What if, in just one video, you could understand and start speaking one of the most widely spoken languages in the world? Arabic. A language spoken by over 400 million people. A language rich in culture, history, and meaning. But here's the problem. Most people think Arabic is too hard, too different, too intimidating. So they never even start. But today, we're changing that. Because you don't need to master everything. You just need the right phrases. The phrases that help you communicate, connect, and feel confident from day one. By the end of this video, you'll know 100 essential Arabic phrases that you can actually use in real life. So take a deep breath, slow down, and let's begin. Let's start simple. Greetings are the foundation of any language. Hello, marhaban, hi, ahlan, peace be upon you, assalamu alaikum, and the response, wa alaikum assalam. Good morning, sabah al khair. Good evening, masa al khair. How are you? Kayfa haluk? I'm good. Ana bikhair. Nice to meet you. Tasharrafna. Welcome. Ahlan wa sahlan. These words instantly make you sound respectful. Please. Min fadlak. Thank you. Shukran. You're welcome. Afwan. Excuse me. Afwan. Sorry. Asif. No problem. La mushkila. May I? Hal mumkin? Of course. Taban. Yes. Na'am. No. La. Let's build simple conversations. What is your name? Ma ismuk? My name is Ismi. Where are you from? Min ayna anta? I am from Ana min. How old are you? Kam umruka? I am years old. Omri. Do you speak English? Hal tatakallam al-Ingliziyya? A little. Kalilan. I don't understand. La afham. Please speak slowly. Takallam bibut. Very useful when traveling. Where is the bathroom? Aina al-hammam? Where is the restaurant? Aina al-mat'am? Where is the hotel? Aina al-funduk? How do I get there? Kayfa adhhab hunak? Left, yasar. Right, yamin. Straight, mustaqim. Near, qarib. Far, ba'id. Stop here. Tawaqqaf huna. Time to interact in real situations. How much is this? Kam hadha? Too expensive. Ghali jiddan. Cheaper, please. Arkhas min fadlak. I want this. Urid hadha. Do you have? Hal ladayk? One. Important for safety and clarity.
Help! Saidni! Call the police. Ittasil bil shurta. I need a doctor. Ahtaj ila tabib. I'm lost. Ana dai. Where am I? Aina ana. Is it safe? Hal huwa amn. Wait. Intazir. Come here. Ta'al huna. Go away. Izhab. Hurry. Asri.
Let's make it more practical. Today. Al-yom. Tomorrow. Ghadan. Yesterday. Ams. Now. Al-an. Later. Ba'dain. Morning. Sabah. Night. Layl. What time is it? Kam as-sa'a. I'm busy. Ana mashghul. I'm free. Ana mutafarigh. Express yourself clearly. I like it. Uhibbu hadha. I don't like it. La uhibbu hadha. It's good. Jayyid. It's bad. Sayyi. Beautiful. Jamil. Difficult. Sab. Easy. Sahal. I agree. Muwafiq. I disagree. La uwafiq. Maybe. Rubama. These help you connect deeper. Let's go. Hayya bina. Wait for me. Intazirni. Come with me. Ta'al ma'i. What do you think? Ma ra'yuk. That's interesting. Hatha mumtia. I understand. Afham. Tell me more. Kulli akthar. Really? Haqqan? Good luck. Hazan Saidan. Goodbye. Ma as-salama. And just like that, you now know 100 essential Arabic phrases. Not perfect, not complete, but powerful enough to start. Because language isn't about perfection. It's about connection. It's about trying, even when you're unsure. So don't wait. Repeat these phrases. Use them. Practice daily. And slowly, what once felt impossible will start to feel natural. One word at a time, one sentence at a time, one conversation at a time. And before you know it, you won't just be learning Arabic, you'll be living it.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.